Now in this chapter we will study about alcohols, phenols, and ether. Now you should think, and I used to think, that why we kept these three organic compounds in the same chapter. So you have to remember that the special thing in these three is that their structure is obtained from water. That's why we call them derivatives of water. So let's start with water. We know what water molecule is. This is a water molecule. And this is our O. On one side of O is H, and on the other side is H. This is the water H2O that we study. About alcohol, we saw ROH. But now, let's write it differently. So R will be with us, that is an alkyl group. And then there will be an oxygen, and with it there will be an H. This is alcohol. So you can see that there is so much similarity between water and alcohol. What we have to do in phenol? This is R. Here we have an alkyl group, which we have seen that if we take out a hydrogen from here, it becomes an alkyl. But if I put phenol instead of R, which we have benzene, if I take out one hydrogen from benzene, then it will become C6H5. And we have oxygen and then hydrogen. So it will become phenol. What will happen in the case of ether? In the case of ether, we will have oxygen on both sides. This R and then oxygen. Then we have this R. So we have ether. So you can see very interestingly that all these formulas are very similar to each other. That's why we say that alcohols and phenols are closer to each other. Why? Because you can see that on both sides. There is H on one side of O. We also have H on one side of